This is the fastest way to grow your Facebook group in 2022. Now, the best thing about this strategy is you don't need a following, you don't need to DM and invite people into your group, and most importantly, you don't even need to actively promote your Facebook group. This is perfect for you if you're looking to grow your Facebook group fast. So be sure to stay till the end because I'm going to reveal a super simple method that nobody talks about. If you're interested to learning how to make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing to help you achieve financial and time freedom, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm on a mission to help 9-to-5ers build a secondary source of income using only the strategies that I personally tried and tested. I come up with a new video every single week, so be sure to tap that notification bell. That way you get notified whenever a new video comes out. I have used this exact same strategy to build my own Facebook groups from 0 to over 1,300 members in a matter of months. In fact, in the first 10 days of trying out this strategy, I was able to grow by 300 members, okay? So if you take a look here, June 9, it was 200 members, and let's see 10 days later, by 19 June, it was over 500 members. So if you're excited to learn the fastest way to grow your Facebook group in 2022 and beyond, comment freedom down below and let's get started. So step number 1 is to optimize your Facebook group. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a professional looking cover photo that tells your target audience exactly what they're going to get from your Facebook group. In my case, mine is all about affiliate marketing, where I teach people how I went from $0 to $6,000 online in 50 days and how they can start learning to do the same. The second thing that you want to do is you want to name your Facebook group name according to the niche that you're in, because you need to treat this like an SEO or keyword so that it can get discovered organically later. So in my case, I chose affiliate marketing and passive income for everyday aspiring entrepreneurs. And the third thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your Facebook group is set to private, because private Facebook groups are perceived to be far more valuable than public. And the third thing is you want to just set your about this group section where you kind of describe a little bit more and let Facebook and the users know more about your Facebook group. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is set up your membership questions and be sure to include one question that asks for their email address in exchange for something that's of value to them. Okay, because this is going to help you to be able to monetize your audience at a later stage. Okay, the last part about this step is just to make sure that you already have some content that gives value to the users, so that this way when we execute the strategy, there is already existing content that people can start consuming. Step number 2 is to optimize your personal Facebook profile. So what you want to do is you just again want to make sure that your personal profile has a professional looking cover that speaks to your specific target audience. Okay, so mine is all about affiliate marketing. So in this case, you want to have posts that speaks related to the niche that you're in. So this one, for example, is a result post that I'm sharing with people, letting them know that I have results on my affiliate marketing business. This is a value post that I share and let them know why they need to start an online business. And as you can see, more posts that essentially talks about me being an affiliate marketer. Step number 3 is going into private Facebook groups in your niche and adding friends. So what you want to do is you want to join several groups that is related to your niche, and I'm going to use this specific group as an example. We're going to click on members, all right? And this is going to load everyone that's currently in this group. And what you want to do is you want to kind of identify people that you will most resonate with, and you can start to add them. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to add at least 30 to 60 people every single day, and you don't want to add 30 to 60 people all in one go. You want to break them up from morning, afternoon, as well as night. This way Facebook will not suspend your account for overactivity. So the reason why you need to add friends in private Facebook group every single day is because these are going to be the people that actually joins your Facebook group. Step number 4 is where all the magic happens. We're going to invite friends into our Facebook group. So in step number 3, we went into different private Facebook groups and we started to add friends. So what's going to happen next is every single day you're going to receive notifications just like this, notifying you that they have accepted your friend's request. So you want to go back into your Facebook group, you want to click on the invite button, invite Facebook friends, and what this does is it's going to show you a list of people in your personal profiles that has not yet joined your private Facebook group. Okay, so I use a simple plugin called Invite All Friends on Facebook, and I'll just press click on that, and as you can see, it automatically already checks to invite every single person that's not currently in my Facebook group. Okay, so whenever I'm satisfied, you can invite your entire friends. And whenever that list is completed, like in this case, maybe I'll stop at 50, I'll click send invitation, and boom, just like that, I've invited over 50 people into my Facebook group without me having to actually actively promote it. And what's going to happen next is every single day, you're going to get more and more people actually joining your Facebook group without you doing much. Step number 5, you just want to rinse and repeat step number 3 and step number 4, which is to add people from Facebook groups every single day and inviting them over to your Facebook group. Okay, so this is the number 1 reason why I was able to grow my Facebook group fast in 2022 without having any following, without having to DM people, and most importantly, without having to even actively promote my Facebook group. So if you're struggling to grow your Facebook group fast and you want my exact step-by-step strategy on how to grow your Facebook group even faster and more importantly achieve financial and time freedom by building a secondary source of income, then please go to the first link down below or go to www.alwibatarilan.com. I created a 100% free course that teaches you my exact strategy on how I went from zero to over $6,000 in 50 days as a complete beginner. If you found any value in this video and would like to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any specific questions, just please leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer it. Please also check out my other videos if you're interested in more strategies on how you can build a secondary source of income online to achieve financial and time freedom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.